Hi guys, so we're just going to go through the second part of 3K, which is determining quadratic rules. So basically, for quadratic equations, they can essentially be written in three forms, and we're just going to go through each three in this and give you an example of how that might look. So the first form is this one here, and this is when you're given the two x-axis intercepts and the coordinates of one other point. So an example could be, find the rule for a parabola with x-intercepts of -2 and -3 that passes through the point -5, 2. Okay, so it's got x-axis intercepts of -2 and -3, so therefore y is equal to a outside of x plus 2 and x plus 3. Because to find the x-intercepts when y is equal to 0, x would have to be equal to -2 and -3 there. So that lines up with there. So this is just based off things we've done previously. And the next step is to sub in 5, 2 to find a. So in this case, y is equal to -2. So -2 is equal to a outside of -5 plus 2, -5 plus 3. So simplifying that down, -2 is equal to a outside of -3 times by -2. -2 is equal to 6a, therefore a is equal to -1/3, simplifying down. Okay, so therefore the rule is y is equal to a -3rd outside of x plus 2, x plus 3. So given that form, you've been able to find the rule for that parabola. The second way that a parabola can be given is in this form, if you know both the turning point, so they give you the turning point, and one other point that's known. Okay, so for example, find the rule for the parabola with turning point 26 through point 33. So you'd write out the equation in this form. So y is equal to a, which we don't know yet, outside of x. Now the turning point is for the x coordinate for the turning point is 2, which means in the brackets, it goes the opposite way, -2. So this is it when we're looking at transformation of different parabolas. If the turning point is at 2, that means the x coordinate must have moved the opposite direction in this bracket. Okay, and then the turning point is also moved up 6 places on the y-axis, which means this extra term here, this constant term, would have to be 6. So if it's unsure, I'd go back to exercise 3D when we looked at different transformations for parabolas. Okay, and then just sub in. So we still need to find what x is. What a is. So sub in 3, 3. So when y is equal to 3, this equation is equal to a outside of 3 minus 2 all squared plus 6. So 3 is equal to, 3 minus 2 is 1, so a plus 6, a is equal to -3. Okay? Therefore, the rule is y is equal to -3 outside of x minus 2 squared plus 6. Alright, last example is when you're not given the turning point or any x-intercepts, but you're just given 3 points on the parabola that's known. Okay, so y is equal to ax, and that's when you put it in form, y equals ax squared plus bx plus 6. So for example, you could have a parabola that passes through the point 1, 4, 0, 5, and -1, 10. So each of those 3 points. Find the rule for this parabola. So what you do here is you sub in to the equation y equals ax squared plus bx plus c for each of these points. So you're going to have 3 in a simultaneous equation. And we'll just go through that in a short extra video here.